Hello everyone, this is Yash Desai from DigiDesai.com, and today I've come up with another AI learning video for you guys. So let's get started. And before we begin, I just want to give a disclaimer that this video is just for educational purposes. And whatever I'm going to teach you today, I'm going to show you today, you should use for personal use only. So let's take a scenario where you got a PDF or a PNG or basically some written material resources. For example, if you want to learn about something and you got an influence on Instagram that said comment free in the chat box and I will share you the PDF in your DMs. So okay, so once you do that, you get a PDF in your DM and you save it to your phone, save it to your computer, and just think that okay, I will refer to this later. But we all know we get lazy about it and we don't refer to it. And even if you start reading it, like for me personally, reading textual content is not really engaging for me. I want something visual. So for that itself, I got a tool today called as Google Notebook or Gemini Notebook, which was previously known as Notebook LM. Now, in this tool, what it does is it will convert your PDF or a PNG or whatever resources you upload to it into a interactive video. Like it will give you a 4 or 5 minute video and you can learn from the video itself, whatever you wanted to learn. So I have got this mind map, a PNG file, which was a mind map on miracle morning or how should you start your day, like effective 1 hour practice, which you should do. And today I opened that PNG image. I started reading the mind map. There were many branches and I lost interest in the first 2 3 minutes itself. Like it was a useful resource, but I was not able to concentrate much. Then I thought of converting it into a video. Now, how to do this for free? Let's jump into my browser and see. Okay, so I will just share my screen. Okay, so we are on my screen on my browser. Now in your browser, you just need to write Google Notebook. You will come across something like this, Gemini Notebook and Gemini Notebook, this one. So you open this up. Here, as you can see, you just click on this Try Gemini Notebook. This is a free tool by Google. And if you are from India and you have a Geo number, then you can get this Gemini Pro for free for some time as well if you claim it from your app. So this is not a sponsored video, but it is something that I'm using, which is giving me the pro account. Now, for whatever I'm going to show you in this video, it can be done through the free account as well. It is not necessary that you can do only through Geo account. Now, this is what you will see once you sign in using your Google account. Then click on Create New. Here, as you can see this, you can describe what you want, or you maybe simply upload your file over here. Now what I'll do is click on upload. I have the mind map ready on my desktop. It is, yeah, this one, Miracle Morning Rituals. So if I'll just double click this and it's getting uploaded. You'll see a tick over here once it's done. You can rename it whatever you want, like morning routine. This is the file name. Now this is uploaded and now it will give you an overview what this is. The provided visual basically outlines the morning framework. And on the right hand side, you can see this audio overview slide deck. Whatever you want to create from this, you can. If you're a audio learner, you can use this one. If you want it in PPT, you can use this video, mind map, flashcards, other. And it will create that for you. Now here, I will do this video overview. It will ask for some settings that you can do, maybe a cinematic explainer or a short video, whichever you prefer. I prefer a cinematic one, a longer one. Then what should the video focus on? Morning routine, habit science, life success, or some custom topic. You can describe your own as well. I will keep it simple for this video, like morning routine. You can even customize it. Once that is done, you just need to click on generate. Now, on the right hand side itself, we'll start generating cinematic video. This may take a while, maybe a few 5-6 minutes, and it will give you a complete video overview. Now, you can do this for any type of file. Uploaded a PNG image. You can upload a PDF as well. Now, again, I am repeating the disclaimer. I don't own this image. I don't own this content. I'm just using it for my personal use, for learning about it. And like if there is any credit issue, you can just comment below. And you can do the same as well. You can upload any PDF here and make content based on it. So I'll just stop sharing my screen, and this video will take a while. So I will just stop it over here and upload the video generated of the mind map in this video itself and up next. And I will end this video after that. So that is it. If you have any questions or queries, you can drop it down in the comments below, or you can reach out to me via LinkedIn or wherever you feel suitable, and we can discuss about it. So here is the video. Thank you so much.
If your first hour is spent reacting to phone notifications and external demands, that reactive state typically dictates the rest of your day. By the time you try to focus on your own goals, you've already surrendered your momentum to the chaos of everyone else's priorities. To reclaim that momentum, we use the SAVERS framework, a structured 55-minute sequence designed to move you from groggy to fully operational in 6 specific stages. This isn't about testing your willpower every morning. It's about following a rigid, predefined system so that you don't have to make any decisions until your brain is actually awake enough to handle them. The process actually begins the night before. You need a physical setup that eliminates the option to hit snooze before your conscious mind can talk you out of getting up. Place your alarm clock, a full glass of water, and your workout clothes on the far side of the room. This forces you to get out of bed and walk across the room. By the time you turn off the alarm and grab the water, your body is in vertical motion, making it much harder for your sleepy brain to justify going back to bed. The first 5 minutes are dedicated to purposeful silence. You sit quietly and focus exclusively on the rhythm of your breath. If you find your mind racing, keep a piece of scrap paper nearby. Immediately write down any intrusive thoughts or to-dos that pop up so you can clear them from your mind and return to the breathing exercise. From there, you move into a 5-minute block for affirmations. This involves writing down and speaking your specific commitments out loud. As noted here on the map, this only works if you avoid robotic recitation. You need to connect the words to the actual feeling of achieving those goals for the habit to take hold. These initial 10 minutes transition the brain from a reactive state into a baseline of calm, deliberate focus. Next is 5 minutes of visualization. During this block, you picture the ideal flow of the day ahead. The key is to visualize yourself handling the difficult tasks. See yourself leaning into the work you usually avoid and smoothly completing your most important priority with ease. Once mental rehearsal is complete, move into 20 minutes of physical exercise. To remove friction, the protocol highlights direct links to short yoga routines and simple movements like jumping jacks, so you don't need to plan a workout. It's common to feel like a 20-minute session is too short to be effective, but don't let that keep you from doing it. The goal here is cardiovascular activation, getting your blood flowing and your heart rate up, not completing a full, high-intensity training session. Combining this mental projection of success with physical movement effectively clears any remaining morning lethargy. Now that your body and mind are awake, you move to 15 minutes of reading. Choose a non-fiction or personal development book that aligns with your current goals. This is based on the idea of not reinventing the wheel. You are using this time to absorb the documented successes and strategies of people who have already solved the problems you are facing. Avoid passive reading. Approach the text like a researcher, looking for specific, actionable lessons you can apply to your work today. This leads to the final 5-minute step, scribing. This is essentially a morning brain dump. You use this time to record new ideas, review what you learned, and clarify your priorities for the next 8 hours. Use a physical notebook for this. Writing by hand helps you synthesize the information you've gathered and creates a record you can refer back to later. This 20-minute block ensures that you enter your workday with new knowledge and a documented plan of action before most people have even checked their email. You now have a complete 55-minute protocol covering silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing. To turn this into a permanent habit, navigate the 30-day funnel. The first 10 days break your old routine, but the middle 10 days, 11 through 20, are the most difficult. Here, you'll feel the strongest urge to quit. If you can reach day 30, the routine starts to feel natural. The resistance you felt in the second week disappears, and the protocol becomes an automatic part of your day. To increase your chances of finishing those first 30 days, use an accountability partner. Whether it's a coach or a friend, having someone to report to makes you significantly more likely to follow through when things get difficult. Find that partner today. Set up your nightstand tonight, and tomorrow morning, execute the full saver sequence.